Want to spend less time searching for effects? Ever forget where an effect is? Even if you organize them into folders, they end up becoming a long list you have to scroll through, and searching every time is a hassle. With Effect Launcher, you can save your favorite effects as buttons. Just select a clip, click a button, and the effect is applied instantly. You can also save transitions. Need to apply a transition to multiple clips? No problem. Apply it to all selected clips at once. Here's a more advanced example. Let's adjust the position using both the crop and transform effects. This clip already has both effects applied. Simply register the clip, and they'll be saved as a single button. Now you can apply both effects simultaneously with one click. Create multiple tabs to organize different projects. You can even resize the buttons. Make them smaller and place them wherever you like, so your favorite effects are always within reach. You can also create categories within each tab, and customize button colors. Speed up your editing with Effect Launcher.